Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In this particular video I will talk about what does the unreferenced days and non-current days in AWS S3 table means. So I'm going to simplify these two words, what they mean and how and why you should know this properly in this particular video. So let's take a look at a small definition, and then again I'll try to explain you in a layman language. When managing iceberg tables on AWS S3, cleaning up old unneeded data file is crucial for controlling storage costs and maintaining a performant data lake. AWS provides a built-in maintenance sharing that will help you automate this cleanup while giving you the control over timing, specifically through these two keys: unreferenced days and non-current days. Now, Saumil, what are these? What are the default value, and when would what should I do with that, right? So let me explain you with a very simple example. So again, let's take a look at the unreferenced days. So let's say when the value is set to 3, right? This setting means that any data file not referenced by an active snapshot for 3 days will be marked as non-current, example, eligible for deletion soon. So, and then here you can see the non-current days, which is set to 10. After the file is marked as non-current, this setting means that the file remains in the storage up to 10 days before being permanently deleted. Now, why would you need a higher or a lower number on this particular value, right? So let me take a look at that, right? Higher values. If you want to keep a longer safety buffer to avoid accidental data loss, having a large value makes sense, right? When would I use a lower value? Well, use 1 and 1 when you're confident that your snapshot expiration process and minimize the storage cost quickly, right? So that makes sense. So you have APIs. You can see AWS S3 Tables. You can use the get table bucket maintenance configuration, and you can pass in a table bucket ARN. So if I were to do that on a console over here, you can see I see the value 3 and 10. Now, as a user, I can change this value. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say, hey, enable put table maintenance configuration, and I'm gonna be setting that to 1 and 1. Okay, so if I do that, I have set these values now. Now I can again get the value, and now it's set to 1 and 1, which basically means that anytime I expire my snapshots, within 2 days those data will be permanently deleted from the S3. So knowing this is very, very important. Knowing this, what are the default values, is also important, and knowing how to change that is also equally important. So that's a very short video that I have. I'll leave some resources in the description section below. Also, I think I just wrote a blog probably this morning on Amazon S3 table also provides tagging. I made a YouTube video where I talked about very detailed about how you can monitor this time travel cost, active bytes, every single thing on Cost Explorer. Very detailed guide. Please go and check it out. And also, again, at scale, these small things matter a lot, right? When I say scale, I mean by like hundreds and hundreds of terabytes, right? These knobs, these numbers, they matter huge at scale. But for smaller case, for medium workload, maybe not that important, right? So I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you now know what are these values. And to get a deeper insight, go into the blog and read the official AWS documentation. With that being said, keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.